Hello, lesson number 5 is up, and lesson number 5 is a bit shorter than the prior lesson, but we do have a significant amount of material to go through. Lesson 5, we actually will read chapter number 5, individual treatment, from your textbook, talking about what individual treatment is, the concepts of individual treatment, and how individual treatment can fit into the stages of change model, and how we can use the stages of change model to inform our treatment process. Tip number 35 is, we'll be reading from tip number 35 again. I'm not necessarily assigning a particular material from tip number 35. Just keep reading it. Read a couple of pages, a couple of chapters every now and then. I may assign specific chapters in the future lessons, but right now just keep it on your radar as a resource. I do want everybody to read chapter number 2 from another tip, number 47. This is substance abuse and clinical issues in the outpatient setting. This chapter talks about common issues counselors face when working with clients, especially individually. We'll also be looking at an article, Substance Abuse Counseling, a Perspective. What is substance abuse counseling? What's the perspective that future counselors need to take and that counselors should be taking right now who are in the field? This is some really good material that you do not want to miss out on. We have a lesson number 5 discussion board. It's called Assumptions. What did we assume? What were we assuming about substance abuse treatment? What was substance abuse treatment to you before you started this class? And how are those assumptions different? Or are they different? What surprises you most? What makes you concerned in your current experience, and so forth. We have a quiz number 2, our second quiz. There's 3 questions for this quiz, short answer questions that will be 2 to 3 paragraphs long for each question. So you will want to spend some time thinking about the quiz questions. I've included the quiz questions in the lesson notes document, and you upload the quiz in a Word file or so forth to Blackboard when ready. I would expect the quiz will take you 90 minutes or so to complete. Let me know if you have questions. Thanks.